Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. So yesterday we had some electricity issue in our office, so I couldn't post any video. Anyway, looking back at the markets, thanks to Mr. Shaktikanta Das, RBI governor, for giving us volatility. Already we have enough volatility, and he has come out today with the increase in repo rate. And as you may know, they have increased the interest rate by 50 basis point to 4.90%. In the last 36 days. Last time they increased the interest rate by 40 basis point. That was a surprise. On 4th of May, they increased the interest rate by around 40 basis point. Now 50 basis points. So total 90 basis point they have increased in the last 36 days. So going forward, what is going to happen is, what does this interest rate hike mean to a normal Indian citizen is that, let's say I have a car for 15 lakhs and I have paid a down payment of let's say I have paid 7 lakhs. So 8 lakhs I have loan, or let's say I have 7 lakhs loan. Okay. In that 7 lakhs loan, I am going for a tenure of around 7 years. Okay. I have to pay EMI for 7 years. Interest rate is 10%. Okay. Now my EMI will be around 13,300 when my interest rate was 10%. Now since they have increased it to 10.90, 9 basis point, 90 basis point interest rate has been hiked. So my EMI is going to be from 13,000, it will jump from 13,300 to around 13,700. So I'm just giving you a tentative figure. So if you want a correct figure or whatever, you have to do the max. So home loan, personal loan, mortgage loan, everything is going to hit hard, or slightly it is going to increase, this is how they control the inflation, right? So that is the news when it comes to repo rate increase. And already, as I told you, markets were highly volatile, and Shaktikanta Das came out and gave us super volatility. And you know, Nifty opened at 16,474, then low was around 16,294, then it went back to 16,513, then it came back to and closed at 16,385. Now, when it comes to Nifty, many people were believing 16,400 is going to be the good support, which has already broken now today. And we don't know really what is going to happen tomorrow. As I talk to you, even SGX Nifty is down. US futures are trading really down. Yesterday it was green, today it is down. And this SGX Nifty is one hopeless indicator. You cannot rely on SGX Nifty. It will show 100 points in the red, then opening 100 points gap up, it will open, vice versa, it will do all the things. So Nifty alone today had a swing of around 600 points. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, open was around 35,165, then low was around 34,800, high was around 35,400, and it closed around 34,900. So around 1,200 points swing in Bank Nifty. All this happening when India VIX dropped by around 2.89%. Can you believe this? This is, I don't know how to tell what kind of market we are in. These are the kind of markets are falling, and India VIX is also falling. So this is very dangerous. When the market falls, at least India VIX has to increase so that we get some premiums. Now India VIX is falling and markets also falling. You don't get premium. It is going to be very hard in case there is any gap up or gap down. So I have a very bad experience on gap up and gap downs. And if you are following us, even last, I think, 2 weeks back, we made a heavy loss. There was around 350 points gap down on expiry day. So this time we didn't do that mistake. We perfectly hedged that one. So let's see how things pan out. And if you see the FII data, FII is still selling. They have sold for around 2,484 crores, and DIIs have bought for 1,904 crores. Now this DII buying will eventually come down. As I told you, You know, now FD returns are going to be very attractive, and people may go to jump to FD, and they may stop doing SIPs or whatsoever. So there is going to be redemption pressure when it comes to mutual funds. And if you see Nifty, major Airtel was up by, low, it was down by Airtel dragged, it was down by more than 3.5%. ITC was down by 2.19%. Reliance was down by 1.76%. And if you see the gainers, Tata Steel was up by 1.7%, SBI was up by 1.7%, and Dr. Reddy's was up by 1.3%. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, SBI was a top performer today. It was up by 1.7%. Bank of Baroda was up by 1.62%. Then HDFC was really flat today. Actually, HDFC was not performing. And when it comes to losers, Axis Bank was down by more than 1.09%, I think. IndusInd Bank was down by 1.8, and ICICI also was down by more than 0.78%. And when you see the open interest, this is very interesting open interest. See, if you can remember, even 2 or 3 days back, I told go and blindly sell 17,000 call option. Now, when I told you it was trading at 25 rupees, now it is trading at 1.25 rupees. Even now, nothing has gone wrong. Go and sell 17,000 in next week expiry. You will make excellent money. That is 16th June expiry. You go and sell 17,000 call option in Nifty. You will, I think it is trading at around 30 or 35 rupees. You will make excellent money in Nifty, or even Bank Nifty. When it comes to Bank Nifty, you can go and sell 36,000, which is trading at around 100 or 110 rupees. It is going to go to zero only. I have been selling 17,000 call options, 16,800 call option, 16,700 call option. Today morning I sold 16,500, and today and I hold 16,500 call option also. So all these days, this week, we are performing decently. Not only us, even our people, members who follow us on our app Option Sense, also made excellent profit. I wouldn't say excellent profit, decent profit. And when it comes to me, I wouldn't say I made a profit. I recovered some of the losses which I have made in May series, right? So May series was a very huge number when it comes to my losses. So it is around 6 digit losses, right? So let's see how things pan out. And if you see the open interest, people are writing, as I told you, people are writing, literally writing 16,400 call option. So we have written 16,500, 16,700, all the way from 16,400 till 17,000. People are writing call option, and literally there is no put writing. Support is seen at around 16,000. When you see it on a this thing, like when you check it with what is that, open interest, if you see this is the 16,000 may act as a support. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, go and sell blindly 36,000. It is not going to go. Even if it goes on the higher side, sell more 36,000 call option. That's what we did today. When the market touched, when Nifty touched 16,500, I had 16,600 call option. I never squared off. I just kept it like that, and I was waiting and seeing what is going to happen. And these things we know, right? Whenever there is any binary event, or whenever our governor comes or our finance minister comes, market react like this. But the overall perspective of the market is on the downside, right? So I was just simply sitting quietly, and market was coming down. We eventually book some profit also, right? So this is the thing about market, and I'm sure tomorrow also market may gap down. If it gaps up, then that's an excellent opportunity. You go and sell more call option, and that is what FIIs are and the institutions are doing. Whenever there is a rise in the market, they are simply selling the market. Can you identify? See, even this is a very simple logic. Whenever the market goes on the upside, there is no buying interest at all. You need a buying interest for the markets to go on the upside. Let's say it goes to 17,000. Then what? Then you need some buying interest for the markets for the Nifty to go to 17,500 or 17,800 or 18,000. But as and when the market goes up, there is no buying interest. FIIs come in, they keep on selling, they sell so hard, they bring it down to 16,500 or whatsoever, 16,400. Now I am telling you again, people believed that 16,400 is going to be a good support. Now it is taken out today. What is going to happen tomorrow? We don't know. Nifty future is down more than, it's trading in the red. It's trading at a discount, and it's below 16,400. In fact, spot also is below 16,400. So 16,500 is going to be the immediate support. For now I am saying, for tomorrow's expiry I am saying. So we expect market to go to 16,200, 16,300 or even 16,000. I wouldn't be surprised if the market goes to 16,000. Right? As always, Umar is always bearish, and it's okay, kind of working for me as of now, right? So let's see how things pan out. Nothing much. This is my stance, and I believe market may expire tomorrow below 16,500. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.